everyone, in this video we are going to explain the topic of fundamentals of life that is called biodiversity and relationships, given by the teacher Paulina Trigo. First of all, let's define what is biodiversity. Biodiversity is a variety of species that live in a particular region or habitat. The more species they are, the bigger is the biodiversity. Talk about the importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is very important because it recycles nutrients. And you may ask, what is the importance of recycling the nutrients? The important thing is that resources get back where they belong, so we can have them again. Also, if we have a bad biodiversity, it affects weather. It also maintains natural resources and provides natural resources to our planet. New natural resources. Other reasons is that it controls erosion and it allows for evolution. Well, okay, it is very important, but how can we maintain it? We can maintain biodiversity taking care of the species and the habitats where they live in. Also, we have to avoid wastes so the species don't get damaged. Let's move on to relationships. In the relationships between the nature, there is transmission of energy through living beings. In the kingdom of nature, there are several ways in which living beings can be related. One of that ways are trophic chains. A trophic chain is a relationship between individuals related to food webs. In this chain, the higher the animal is, the more species it can eat. That's why carnivores are not totally carnivores at all, because they can eat plants and also fruits. When two or more trophic chains are connected, they are called a food web. It's a relationship between different trophic chains. Also, in food webs, animals eat other animals, and then that animals eat other animals. Trophic chains make food webs, and food webs make the different relationships living beings can have between each other. Talking about relationships, there are several types of relationships that living beings can have. There are 5 types of relationships. For example, the first one that I will explain is the predation. Here it is a hunter and a preyer. The hunter eats the preyer and, well, obviously the preyer gets eaten by the hunter. Then there is the parasitism. In this relationship, one organism depends on the other to live and it harms it. After this relationship, we have the competing one. In this kind of relationship, there are two living beings that need the same thing, so they need to fight for it. Let's talk about the commensalism. In this relationship, one living being eats what the other living being didn't want, like hyenas, or the typical birds of the desert called vultures. Last but not least is the mutualism. In this relationship, two living beings help each other to reach a common goal, like to attack one prey, or to get some water, or to get a place to live. This is mainly how relationships in the animal kingdom function. Hope you have enjoyed the video and thanks for your attention.